Hi everyone, here we are with July 2024 IELTS speaking part 1 prediction. तो सबसे पहले जो टॉपिक है that is about news. Do you like reading the news? How often do you read the news? How often do you read the news online? कितनी बार आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ते हो, ऑफलाइन पढ़ते हो? Do you prefer reading printed newspaper or online ones? और क्यों आप वो प्रेफर करते हो? Next जो टॉपिक है that is about your area. Do you live in a big city or a small town? Do you live in a quiet or busy area? Do you think your area is a good place? Guys, first part में question is all about you. तो आपने ओरिजिनल आंसर ही देने हैं. आप जैसे डू यू लिव इन अ क्वाइट और बिजी एरिया, हो सकता है आपका एरिया बहुत बिजी एरिया हो, आप मार्केट के बीच में रहते हो तो वो बोलिए. अगर आप एकदम आइसोलेटेड प्लेस पे रहते हो, डेसोलेटेड, तो यू कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल. फिर जो क्वेश्चन है दैट आर अबाउट टी शर्ट्स. डू यू लाइक टू वियर टी शर्ट्स? व्हाई नॉट? Do you prefer t-shirts with prints on them? How often do you wear t-shirts? Next questions are about movies. Do you enjoy watching movies? What kind of movies do you like to watch? And what kind of movies people of your age group like to watch? You can talk about that. Then the general question about work and studies, like where do you work? Do you like your work? Or what subject are you studying? Why have you chosen to study this particular subject? Then the questions are again related to work, same. What type of job do you have? Is it easy to find a job in your hometown? Again same question. Guys, if you notice, I think in part 1 we get almost same kind of questions. Sometimes there are new topics. Fine. Up here, like, do you live in a house or an apartment? What type of accommodation would you like to live in the future? Do you like cakes? Do you know how to bake a cake? Then the questions are about traffic. What do you think about the traffic situation in your hometown? Then the questions are about drawing, like, did you like to draw when you were a child? Is it important for children to draw and why? Then questions are about computers. Who taught you how to use a computer? Who help you when you have problem with computer? Then the questions are about animals. What kind of animals can be seen in the area where you live? And where people of urban area can see the animals, they can see it in the zoo as well. Otherwise, cattle on road is everywhere. Then the questions are about memory. What strategies do you use to avoid forgetting important things? Do you usually remember things that are part of your daily routine? Then the questions were about video games. How often do you play video games? What kind of games are your favorite? Then again, very common topic, public transport. Do you use public transport? Are you currently using public transport more than private? What is your reason for using public transport? Then the questions are about chocolate. Do you like eating chocolate? Did you enjoy chocolate when you first tried it? What you don't like about the chocolate? Then it was about staying up late. Do you stay up late at night? Why do you stay up late? And what do you do? How do you feel when you get up next morning? Then the questions are about family. Generally in IELTS they don't ask you topics about family. But recently they have asked, are you living alone or with your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? They have asked about the siblings as well. Next questions are about again hometown and your place. How long have you been living there? Why did you move there? Do you plan to move to a bigger home in the future? What do you like about your current home? Then the questions are about again workplace. Do you enjoy your workplace? What do you like about it? Have you considered pursuing your career abroad? Guys, see, this is also a different question. If you had a chance to change your working hour, how would you change? Means like if you're working for 7-8 hours, would you like to reduce or increase it and why? The next questions were about exciting activities. Have you ever tried any exciting activity? What do you think were exciting activities when you were a child? Has anything exciting happened to you recently? Would you like to try scuba diving, bungee jumping? Very, I think, interesting questions. Then the questions were about advertisements. What kind of advertisement do you watch? Where can you see advertisements? Have you ever watched something because of the advertisements? Do you watch advertisements from beginning to the end or you just skip it? Then the questions were about your routine, like do you prefer to study in the mornings or evenings or afternoon? How much time do you spend on your studies every week, each week? What changes you would like to see in your daily routine in the future? Next questions were about holidays. Where did you go for your last holiday? Do you like holidays? Which public holiday do you like the best? Do you like to spend your day at home during holidays? Do you prefer a leisurely or a busy holiday? Next questions were about singing. Do you like singing and why? Have you ever learned how to sing? Who do you want to sing for? Do you think singing can bring happiness to people? Then the next questions were about your house. Like, which is your favorite room? Can you describe the view from your windows? If you could improve one thing in your house, what it would be? Sometimes they ask you to describe your house. Is it a 1-story, 2-story, 3-story house? Next questions were about childhood memories. What are your best childhood memories? Did you enjoy your childhood? What did you enjoy doing as a child? Do you think children should grow up in city or the countryside? Next questions were about money. How do you save money? What do you think of the e-payments? How often do you use credit card? Do you think cash will still be popular in the future? Do you like spending or saving money? Then the questions were about maths. Do you think it's difficult to learn mathematics? Do you often use a calculator to calculate something? Do you think mathematics is important? Are girls generally good at mathematics? It should be your opinion. Generally they are or no. Even the boys are good at maths. It doesn't matter what gender they have. Then the questions were about feeling bored. Do you often feel bored? When would you feel bored and what do you do when you feel bored? Earlier guys questions were about singing, now it's about music. Do a lot of people like music? What kind of music do you listen to? Is it easy to learn music? Do you have music lessons at school? Next questions were about mobile phone. What was your first mobile phone? Do you often use mobile phones for texting or calls? Will you buy a new phone in the future? How has your mobile phone changed your life? Guys, sometimes they ask you questions related to languages. What is the difficulties in learning languages? What is the best way to learn a new languages? And then the questions are about water. Do you like to drink water? Do you like mineral water or tap water? Or do you prefer the bottled water? Or is bottled water cheap or costly in your country? Then the questions are about patience. Are you a patient person? And why some people don't have patience? Next questions are about bags. Like what kind of bags do you like? Do males and females generally use same kind of bags? I don't think so. And then the questions were about seasons. Which is your favorite season? Or sometimes it is about weather as well. Which is your favorite weather? So there are 4 seasons, there are 3 weathers, hot, cold, moderate, and winter, summer, spring and autumn. There are the seasons and you can add rainy and monsoon as well. And then the questions are about tea, coffee. Do you prefer tea or coffee? And what do you serve to the guest when they visit your house? Next topic is social networking app. Which is your favorite app? Do you think it's easy way to make friends through social networking apps? Then, do you want to develop an app yourself? Then the questions are about friends, like how many friends do you have? Do you have a lot of friends? What do you do when you all are together? Then the questions are about journey, like what kind of journey recently you had? Was it a good journey or it was an unusual journey? And the other questions were about crowded places. How do you feel at crowded places? Have you ever visited a crowded place? Or then the questions were about nap. Do you think it's good to have a nap during the day? Then about pets. What kind of pets do you have? Why people keep pets? And the last one is about perfumes. Do you like perfume? Which is your favorite brand in perfume? Do you think perfume is a good gift? So guys, these are the questions and topics which are expected in July 2024. Thank you.